any stress.
Threat for your party.
No, not at all. In fact, I didn't want to go as far as to say that we welcome it, because that clearly shows that there is an excess. Because what happened in 2017 was very clear. In fact, my objection was absolutely crystal clear. It was on my social media platform, where I have said that you cannot team up with the person who has come up with 16D. It's an opening to destroy Goa. And the moment that alliance was sort of announced, of course they pulled back, they came back, I don't know what they were up to. The moment they said that the alliance would be there, I quit the party. Within 5 minutes I sent my resignation to Girish Chodolkar. Girish is a very good friend of mine, but it is over. Politically it's over, because we cannot trust the Congress. I for one, I'm sure Arturo for one, we are people who are congressmen for donkey's years. Our heart has been in the Congress. But today what is happening is unbelievable. And unless we do something, 2022 is a very critical time. If we don't do something in our politics today, our children are going to suffer for time immemorial. So we're very clear about it. So politically, it's over. And the Congress has to be defeated. BJP has to be, of course, defeated. They are a party which has destroyed Goa. As Arturo said, we have never seen politics of this type over the last 50 years, where we have taken us to the nadir. So it's time that we get rid of these people and have a new party which has got a great leader, a leader who's strong. As I said, no one is perfect. Mamata Banerjee also not perfect, but she has got a leadership style that will put people in place here in Goa. And that's exactly what we require.
Vijay Sardesai many times said in his statement that Congress convener Challa, Lungi and Pungi. How you look at this statement?
Politicians are making all sorts of statements. People are calling Rohan Kaunde called the Chief Minister Pappu, and then someone's calling something else. It's gone beyond us. But yes, that shows how low they can go. They can team up with anyone. There's no ideology left. In 15 days and 20 days, people are shifting hands. So we are here, like Arturo has, as he said, stepped down from activism, great activism. I'm also an activist. I also have stepped down to join a political party. Why? Because we are really desperate. We have young children. We have got kids who are actually looking forward. Where is the hope? Why are people traveling? Why are people going to London with UK passports? You mean people don't want to stay in Goa? Goa is one of the most cherished and promised lands in the world. But people are leaving because of the level of corruption that is there today. And something has to be done. It has to be a cancer which is cut in one shot.
Is there before was there rumors that Vijay will join TMC? What made
I think it's very clear. I think what Vijay was trying to do was to merge with the TMC. And I think once it's merged, then you're standing for elections on the symbol of TMC. I don't see that is that much a cardinal sin as an alliance would be. An alliance is something which a person can jump at any point in time, and there's proof of it. There's no credibility left in that side. So if there was a merger, in fact, I was pushing for a merger of Vijay Sardesai into the Congress, and I would have supported that. Even though I might not have thought that was the best scenario, but I would have supported it. The TMC was in that position. At no point of time TMC has offered an alliance to the Goa Forward Party. That has been very clear.
And that he did not agree for that.
To the merger, he did not.
Thank you.
Any other questions from anyone?
Any question? No. Thank you.